talk about some important components of the machine. And today, we will continue to introduce some core parts of the machine that we often use in production. Our bearings use notching and NSK. Our cables use German lathe. In addition, we also use hard-resistant screws with strong steel and corrosion resistance. The corrugated pipes are made of fire-resistant materials. That's the end of today's introduction. If you are interested in our company, please follow